Alright, we're looking here at Eclipse, and today we're going to go over a few basics of Eclipse. So, once you've started up the program, and sometimes it does take a little while to load, the first thing you want to make sure is that it is in Java mode. Alright, so up here in the right corner, you will see some So one of the things you want to make sure is that it is in Java mode. To do that, first of all, you'll look up at the top. Sometimes it will say something like C++, particularly if you're working on an on-campus computer, right? If it's your computer, it should default to whatever you set it to originally and stay there. But we want to make sure that it says Java, not anything else, or just doesn't say anything at all. One of the ways you can change it is up in the right corner. There will be some buttons that you can press. One here says Open Perspective. We click on that. Depending on what install you have, you'll have different sets of options. Here I have a Java only install, so it's not a problem. But in other installs, you may have lots of choices here, and you just want to go to the Java perspective. Alright? So the next thing I want to look at is opening a project. So for this course, a lot of your projects will start as archives that you'll download, and then you will import them into Eclipse. So you can go over here to Import from the File menu in Eclipse. These are all closed. What you're going to look at is General. We want to get an existing project into the workspace. Go to Next. Here it's going to give you some options. You want an archive file, so we'll browse. Most of the time, obviously, they will end up in your Downloads folder. So here we can select the zip folder that we downloaded. Alright, and now we just select Finish. And now we have it over here in our Explorer. Right. Now, when you expand this, right, use a little arrow to open it up. This is the name of the project. Okay. Then we're going to have these two things here. The one you want to be concerned with is the source folder, abbreviated SRC. That's a standard abbreviation. So inside source, here we have a package. That's the package name. Inside the package, we have our actual Java file. Alright? So this other stuff just tells us some things about the Java file, but that's what we're really going to be editing. Alright, so we can double click, it opens up over here. And that is how we import an existing project into